This travel ad design uses rectangles to organize images, text, and buttons clearly. The clean layout highlights key travel offers and destinations, making the message easy to read and visually appealing. Using the rectangle tool, a box is created to serve as the main design area, where the rest of the travel ad elements will be placed. After sizing the initial box with the rectangle tool, a long shape is created using the same tool. Then with the shape tool, three corners of this shape are rounded to add a smooth, stylish look to the design. After rounding the corners, duplicate the shape and rotate the copy to the left side. This creates a balanced and dynamic design element within the layout. Then use the freehand tool to draw lines between the shapes to create clear separations. This ensures that when you fill colors, the shapes stay defined exactly as intended without overlapping. Next, use the Smart Fill tool to fill color inside the boxes, giving the design its vibrant look while keeping the shapes neatly separated. After filling the colors, remove the original boxes and lines to keep only the colored shapes in the final design. Then, use the Contour tool to duplicate each box twice, one copy for the white background color and the other for placing the photo inside using Power Clip. Next, one by one, place all the photos inside their respective boxes using Power Clip. Thank you so much for watching this design tutorial. I hope you found the step-by-step process helpful and inspiring for your own projects. If you enjoyed learning how to create this travel social media ad using the rectangle tool, shape tool, and Power Clip technique, please make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed and creative design tutorials. Your support means a lot and helps me bring you even better content. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. I'd love to hear your feedback and help you out. Stay creative, keep designing, and I'll see you in the next video.